Breathe in. Good boy. Now follow me. You're good. You're good. Very good. See? You know how to go in circles all by yourself now. Check you out. Oh, look at you turning around. You going to face me now? You going to face me?
Oh my God.
Keep using your legs and your arms at the same time. You did. You did. See? You're good. You're good.
He's panicking.
You're good. You want me to hold your hand?
Hold you. Yeah.
Hold your hand. You can do it. Okay. I'm letting you know now. That's it. You breathe and look at me too. Okay. You ready to spin around? Now look at me. Hey! Swim to me. That's it. That's it. Keep using your arms and legs. Yay! You swam right to me. I'm so proud. Here we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good boy.
Swim to mommy, Preston. Swim to mommy.
That's it.
Come here.
Good
Come
boy.
here.
Good boy. So you let me know if you need help, okay? Keep swimming.
Mommy.
Use your arms and legs. You're all by
You're almost there.
You don't need help because you're so good.
all by yourself.
You're the best.
That's it, buddy.
Use your arms. Use your arms.
I am.
Good job.
And you're even talking while you swim too. You're yeah, laughing too. Wow! Here, you go swim to mommy. Want me to swim with you? Look, we can swim together. Cool. See, we're swimming together.
Doing a good job at breathing.
Yeah.
Good breathing.
There you
kick
go.
those feet.
You're just sitting there floating. You're cool, dude. All by yourself. See, I told you could do it. I told you.
Kick those feet, Preston.
big
Kick
kiss.
hard.
No,
a big
don't you give her a
kiss.
big kiss.
I was doing bubbles.
Oh, can you go over here? You want to swim with me over here?
Stay with him,
I
Alicia.
will.
Kick those legs
Good breathing.
like a little frog.
And use your arms too, like a dog paddle, remember? Use your dogs like a, yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's swim over to mommy.
No, listen to me.
You want to swim over here? You keep using your legs.
I'm doing it.
Good boy.
The concentration on his face.
Look, I don't even need to touch you anymore. How do you
I got my face up.
I know. Keep using your arms. Look, I don't even need to touch you anymore. I told you you could do it all by yourself. Can you spin around? Yeah, you see?
Wow!
I can do lots of tricks.
You can do lots of tricks.
I do lots of tricks, you know. I can run too.
Can you go on your back? Can you go on your back?
No,
No.
because it's not fun. Back is not fun.
Oh, okay.
If I go on my back, I will cry and I will go off my neck.
Look at you. You're just chilling in the pool. Would you like a noodle?
No.
You don't want to
Sure?
play with the noodle?
Yep.
Just put on YouTube. She got a YouTube account, and then I'll just...
Swim to me. Swim to the camera.
Yeah, swim to the camera. Say, I'm swimming.
Show your...
I don't need any help.
You don't need any help.
Preston, show your grandma how you do a spin.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say do a spin. Show her.
Say hi, Grandma, to the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Say I'm swimming.
I'm swimming.
All by myself.
Over the dog.
I'm the best.
I'm the best.
Now do a real fast spin. Spin around. Use your arms. There you go.
So cute.
I know.
You should be so proud of Lisa.
I'm really
That's
proud.
all you right there. You taught my kid how to swim. That's like memorable.
Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Like, you're going to remember that for